Want to get your hands on Windows 11 version 26H2 before everyone else? You actually don't have to wait for the official public rollout to try out the newest features for Microsoft. Before we jump in, a quick heads up. Right now, version 26H2 is available through the release preview channel. That means that, well, it's very close to finished. It is still a pre-release version of the operating system. If you're thinking of testing this out, I do recommend using a spare computer or a virtual machine rather than your main Dendy driver. Okay, if you are already running Windows 11 version 24H2 or 25H2 and want to make the jump, here's the best way that you can do this. First, open the Settings app. Then from Windows Update, we're going to go to Windows Insider program. And from here, we're going to click the Get Started button. Now click the Edit button and select the account that you want to use to join the program. Then click the Continue button. Click Continue. And now we need to access the advanced options. And from here, turn on Show Release Preview. And then select the Release Preview option. And then click the Restart button to finish enrolling your computer into the Release Preview channel. Now, after restarting the computer on Windows Update, you might be offered to install the preview build 26200-9878 for a higher release, or the same update, but with the series number 26100, which is for 24H2. You will get this bill if you are on 25H2. Once you install this preview update, then you will have available the option to upgrade to version 26H2 using an enablement package. So here I'm just going to restart the computer to apply the first update. Now, if you already have this update installed on the computer, then you are only going to see the upgrade option to 26H2. The restart might take some time. After the computer restarts, we need to go to the Settings app one more time, and from Windows Update, you might have to turn this option on and then click the Check for Updates button. And as you can see, now version 26H2 becomes available, and to install it, we just need to click the Download and Install button. And now the enabling package will download and switch the version number from 24H2 or 25H2 to 26H2. And this should only take a few minutes. Now, before restarting the computer, let's just open the WinBear command. And let's confirm that right now we are on 25H2. So after restart, that version should then read 26H2. And that is all there is to it. Now we can confirm that we are running version 26H2 by going to the Settings app and then from System, and on the About page, we're going to see that now we are on version 26H2. Now we can always go to Windows Update one more time, and then from Update History and from the page, you can see that we have the latest update available, and then we upgraded successfully to version 26H2. And that is all there is to it. That is how you get early access to Windows 11 version 26H2 from version 24H2 or 25H2. If you found this quick guide helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe for more Windows tips, and let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited about to test out. I will catch you in the next one.